Hey solopreneurs, what's up? Hope you're doing great. So I know that you are tired of those typical leads who are saying that solar is free, or they're saying that I applied for solar uh, a long time back, and these things are not working for you. So, after interviewing multiple solar company owners, solar pros and solar affiliates, that they're getting old data if they buy leads. So the leads are just piece of crap. And when they hire a marketing agency, so they are running ads and they're committing free solar to get you the cheapest leads ever. And using that particular perspective, you are getting just trash leads and nothing is working out for you. So we have found a great solution for it, that we are like, as a solar company owner, like you are a solar company owner. So as a solar company owner, you need those homeowners who are interested in going solar, okay, who are not just shopping around and wasting your time. The ideal homeowners are who are interested in going solar right away without wasting any time. So who are actually the ideal homeowners? Let me tell you. The ideal homeowners are who are actually looking for solar, and they are aware that they solar is paid. Solar is not free, of course. Like there is no upfront cost, and they have to pay in the cycle, and it depends on the business to business and how they are selling solar. But solar is actually not free. They have to pay, not like now but later. So those customers, those homeowners are aware about it. So it depends on the audience to audience. So as a solar business owner, if you are just buying the leads, let me tell you that how does it work. So for example, if John owns a marketing agency and he has been running ads for his clients for past 4 years, and he has the data of whatever leads he has fetched for his client. So once he's done with that client, he's gonna save the data, for example, for a state of Michigan, for example. So whoever is looking for leads in Michigan, so he's gonna sell them and you're gonna send one by one every day to make money out of it. And those leads are like 10 months old, 11 months old, and you're not even aware that whether these leads are legit or not. So as a business owner, like if you buy 100 leads for 1 grand, 2 grand, 3 grand, whatever the cost is, in the end, it's just wasting your time and money, even efforts of your appointment setters. So as a solar business owner, you don't need that particular kind of thing. Actually, what you need is the ideal audience who is showing their interest in going solar. Okay, so this is done via multiple things, via multiple channels, via multiple branches. So first thing first is checking out that where your audience is hanging out. Majority homeowners are 29 and above, 28 and above. Okay, it varies. So you have to check out that these kind of people are not hanging out on TikTok. They are, but not mostly. And because when you run ads on TikTok, and especially targeting the homeowners, that doesn't actually work out, because on TikTok there are majority immature audience, under 25, under 20. So your running ads doesn't gives you any kind of money, any kind of profit. It's just go and win. But yeah, we do have exceptional cases. Now the other option comes with Twitter. So Twitter ads are good, but it doesn't convert that much as compared to social media, because Twitter is kind of serious thing, a serious platform, a political platform, a knowledgeable platform. So it's like quite dry platform. You don't have any entertainment, you don't have any interaction. You just tweets and replies and chats are wrong. So it doesn't work. But when we talk about social media, that is first thing first, YouTube. That works crazy, okay? But YouTube is very expensive, because whenever whoever comes in YouTube is usually looking for a video, okay? They are usually for a video. So so when we talk about the social media, so of course the YouTube is expensive, because whenever someone is coming on YouTube, so they are actually interested in watching the video, so they are just in a hurry to just skip your video. Now the best platform I think, and what we have got best results from is Facebook and Instagram. Because in Facebook, majority of people are just scrolling down, and they're just hungry to consume the content. Okay, they're hungry to consume the content. Okay, they want to learn more. They want to sign up for multiple things. They want to just check out what's going on. And the best part is, guess what? Facebook shows that kind of content, the content they are looking for. Like for example, if I'm gonna search for shoes on Google, so Facebook will gonna show me the ads for shoes. If I'm gonna search for glasses on Google or Amazon or TikTok or whatever it is, Facebook gonna show me because Facebook has all the data. So that's what I meant with solar audience. That whoever is searching for, solar companies near me, how to go solar, what's the solar price, how system works. So Facebook will catch that audience, and he will grab the audience, and he will gonna show your ad to that audience. And audience will simply gonna put their information, such as contact information, like of course name, number, email address, and their current power bill, either they are homeowner or no, their roof condition, and sometimes credit score. So this kind of information makes your lead pre-qualified, whether they're interested or not, because just taking the contact information is not viable at all. Okay, just the information is not good an option as an option, because everyone is looking to just sign up. But when you ask those questions, you get mature audience. So that's what we are doing to help solar companies, that we have all the data of the homeowners. Data means their mindset, their purchasing power, that who is the ideal audience for a solar company, so who you can sell them solar easily. We have the data, we have the audience, demographics, we have the audience genre, that where they wanna see their ads. So we have the systems built that we pre-qualify the leads for you. Okay, and we guarantee 100 plus pre-qualified leads every month for your solar business, or you get next month for absolutely free. And if you have got a good appointment setters and a good appointment setting team, you can easily close 3 sales per month. You can easily sell 3 systems a month. Yes, it's possible, because we know that our lead generation system is insanely crazy, and we have told you everything very upfront. Also, we are not hiding anything. We're gonna show you our ads. We're gonna show you our ad copy. We're gonna show you our pre-qualifying system. Then what questions do we ask? How do you get the leads and everything? So you are not away from anything. You are completely aware of every freaking thing we're doing out there. So if you are a solar business owner and you are looking to get a minimum of 100 pre-qualified leads, even you get 300 plus, but we guarantee 100 pre-qualified and interested homeowners who are interested in going solar, let's have, if you are interested, no force, because I have told that we are showing everything to you, even if you use your Facebook page, your business page to run ads. Okay, so nothing is hidden from you, and we don't promise any fake, so any free solar, okay, to your audience. So if you are looking for 100 pre-qualified leads for your solar business, let's talk. Go into the description, you will find the group, Facebook page, the calendar link, the call link, and let's have a chat and see that how we can take your business to the moon like an F-16. See you in the meeting. Thanks.